Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making GENOA cake, one of the fruit cakes. I hope you enjoy it. Let's begin. Cream butter with sugar. That's softened butter. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. It is below. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you enjoy your stay. Add oil and mix. Then add eggs, mixing in between each egg addition. Zest an orange, whole orange, and add the zest into the bowl. Adding orange essence is optional. Set aside the mixture. In another bowl, place fruit mix, flour, and mix. Wash under running water the glace, cherries, or candied fruit. Dry them with a kitchen towel. Then add them to the mixed fruit and flour and mix. Set aside. Sift in flour into the egg mixture, baking powder, mixing in between. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. In the bowl, add salt, cornstarch, and mix. A big shout out to the returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you. Actually add buttermilk or yogurt and mix. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts if you haven't subscribed yet. Squeeze orange juice and add it to the bowl and mix. I wish I added a little bit more. I will leave the exact measurements below. Add desiccated coconut and mix. That's optional. Add the fruit mixture, mix well, and stop as soon as it comes together to avoid overmixing. Place the batter into a baking pan. If it's not this kind of a baking pan, you may place a parchment paper or a baking paper. Before adding the batter, level the batter and tap it a few times to eliminate air pockets. Bake for 35 minutes. That's the total time. Meanwhile, mix hot water with syrup or jam. At 15-minute mark, take out the cake to add more fruit, then gently brush it with jam, the mixture we've just prepared. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. Oops, I forgot that it is hot. Bake it further for the total time. Cool it in a pan first, then take it out to cool it entirely on a cooling rack. I hope you will make this cake and enjoy it. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.